just acquired this absolutely stunning new shape Volvo V60 diesel. It absolutely is in stunning condition. It drives and looks nowhere near the mileage. It's great value for money. The wheels are immaculate diamond cut, all running on Bridgestone tyres. It's very hard. There's probably a few marks on it, but it's very hard to find one. It's the D3. It's got the rear park distance control. As I said, Bridgestone tyres all around it. We've just serviced it and MOT'd it. Huge boot space. It's an electric power tailgate. You've got the original carpet mats, all in lovely condition. Look at the boot area. Just would not believe the mileage this car has done. So much value for money. Full leather interior again, really unmarked. Let's put the address up. It's been really well cared for. Electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors, electric memory seats. Bolsters, no wear on it whatsoever. I'll just start the car up. Some 113,791 miles. So we've got cruise control, got the full facelifter, media system there, 6-speed gearbox, different driver modes. Just load up this. Load up the sat nav, climate control, heated seats, lovely touch button screen that. USB in there for you. DAB radio, as you can see, Bluetooth, full settings there. Say cruise control, I think. Auto headlights. Release the boot from the front. Such good value for money. At DJH, we've full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. To acquire any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.